It's part 3 of Piet Mondrian inspired paintings. Hello, my talented artists. If you like this content, subscribe. Today, we are only going to be using yellow. That is the third primary color. And we don't even need any water because we are gonna paint our white rectangles yellow, and then we get to peel the tape. So you artists know how to put the big blobs in the middle and then spread it to the edge. We don't want the yellow. Oops, I got yellow right on my brush. I'm actually gonna wipe that on another rectangle so it doesn't get on my hand. It's messy being an artist, and it's fine being messy. We just also have to learn how to clean up as well. And you all are such big helpers when it's time to clean up. So again, we are just putting the big blob of paint in the middle and spreading it to the edge, slowing down when we get close. Oop, getting it on my fingers, but I can always wipe it on my messy paper. We don't want to get the yellow onto the other colors. Go all the way to the edge, and our main goal is to cover all those white spots, because the cool part of masking areas of your painting is that it makes crisp, straight lines of white. So we are going to have, we put it over white paper, so we're going to be left with nice white lines. And to make those white lines neat and crisp, we want to make sure that we cover all the white inside the rectangles. Why am I sticking my fingers on the rectangles that are painted? I can put my fingers on the blue and red rectangles that are dry. Almost done. Here comes the fun part. Wait a minute. Do you guys see the rectangle that I missed? Look again. You found it! I still have one white rectangle left, so I better paint that. Time to peel our tape. So you're gonna get your tape, and you want to put your thumb on it or a finger on it and keep it low. I'm going to look for tape that's on top of other tape. This one's on top. So I'm going to peel that first. Try again. I'm going to pull it back, directly back. I'll flip it so you can see it better. Keep your tape low. Ooh, you see that little bit of rip there? It's ripping a little. But I'm just gonna slow down, and it seems to have stopped the rippage. That's okay then. Keep it low, go slow. I'm looking for tape that is on top. Oh, I thought that was tape, but it's a rectangle of paint. This one's on top. I'm gonna pull this one. Keep it low, go slow. Oop, okay, so it's starting to rip. You can see the rippage there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull to the side. Oh, and it stopped. If it keeps ripping, pull to the other side. Still keep it low, but just slowly wiggle back and forth. Pull a little to the right and a little to the left. Slow and low. That is the tempo. If you want to be neat. Oop, that one is not the one on top. So I'm going to stop, because I hit one that was on top. So now I'm going to peel that one first. That will also avoid ripping. Slow and low. That is the tempo. If you wanna be neat, you gotta go slow. Now that I peeled the top one, I can just finish peeling them both together. Going slow. This one right here. Oop, there's some ripping, you can see. I think I'm gonna go a little to the side one way, a little to the side the other way. There, it stopped. Oh, more ripping. Going to the opposite side. Okay, that's working. Now I'm gonna go back to the center. Whoop, more ripping. Going a little to the side, little to the other side. Maybe I'll just slowly go side to side. Side to side, do-si-do. Pull that tape and what do you know? You get a nice white stripe. Yay! I'm making a tape ball. A tape tangle. All right, looks like this one is on top. Oh, no, this one's on top of that. Peel that one. It's like a puzzle. Oops, it looks like red paint kind of squished out under the tape, but that's fine. To the left, to the right, to the left, keep wiggling. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Here's another problem that can happen, is that little edge of tape cannot peel off. It's not too hard to fix that. I'll show you once we get this part off. I'm going to go side to side and speed up the video. Don't go this fast in real life. Okay, so we still have a little tape left here. And really, it's just what you would imagine. You gently scrape it and just peel that little bit off. Don't be too worried when you encounter any of these obstacles to pulling off the tape, because that's part of life. You're going to encounter obstacles and then you're going to overcome. You can do it. I'll support you if you need it. Yay! Now it's your turn.